What's up, everybody? This is M3K, and we are at Wolverine. There's a lot going on today. Everything out here. We are in control, safe environment. So we're gonna go ahead and put this, and here we go.
Yeah, this one's up there. So what that just kind of rides. I hit him 100% of the Alright guys. You need one more of these? No, we're doing one down for us.
Alright, here we go. You got it, matching down. Alright.
Alright, so you guys shoot this. Shoot which body you're going to shoot that. It also could help with body here. Hold. I got stuff It does pretty well.
Back and going up, for the motor back. There you go.
Nice. You got him right on. Tell us when you're ready.
Right and middle. There you go. Very good.
So I'm having a lot of feeding issues with the AR9. I have about 10 rounds that I've counted so far that I've had to clear jams out of. You got to look into that.
Put my hand back here. Lean forward this way. Just move it down a little bit. Up in here. There you go. Up and down. Up and fairly. All right.
That's good? All right.
Yeah.
Too cool. So now we are going to do the 300 Blackout. We're going to rock and roll with that one. Here we go. So here we are with the 300 Blackout. We're about to see what's going on with that. Let's see what we did. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So on the top 300 Blackout, I'm just using that Fiachi I told you guys about. Not the reflex, just the single red dot in the can type looking thing. And then on top of the EPC 9 is that Hollow Sun. The Hollow Sun looks great. I still have some tuning in to do with my Fiachi, but where I compensate for, it hits in a fairly decent grouping here. Let's take a look at it. So right around this area when I'm aiming here. So I just need to come up a little bit and maybe to the left a little bit. Not bad at all. I'm happy with it. So here we go. We're gonna go do some more. We only went with 27 rounds in this clip, so we're gonna see what happens.
Damn, my bad. No, y'all. Y'all have it back there? Yeah. That was me, my bad. I saw them back there sometimes.
There we go.
This is pretty bullet holes too.
That was a lot better. I think that's the thing. It's the amount of rounds that it causes it. I think that mag feed, trying to feed that, the pressure with it feeding the 31 in, jams it up. Starting with, but it still doesn't explain why we were having so many jams. The only thing I can think was the magazines were just had a lot of force. Let's keep on shooting. That last round hold open is working just as it should. Good stuff. So not too bad on the bottles. I'll show you what I did here. I'll pull it out so you can see it. So not bad. This is what we just did here on those bottles right there. So off on this bottle, off on that bottle. Let's go for these chickens and the stars next. Here we go. So we're having those misfeed issues, but I think this is the mag that I've used less. Chicken next. Let's see what we're talking about here. Let's bring them in. Let's see what they're looking like. The little chicken. I was off on the stars altogether. I was a little low on the stars. So there's the star there, star miss there, star miss there. So chickens, I hit the little thingamajiggy there, right on there. Chickens a little better.
auto, let me know. I can hold it back.
Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. So here's the deal with the EPC9. It does not do well with a full 31 round clip. I put 27, that seems to be the lucky number. Still going to have a few hang-ups until you break your magazine. That sums it up. So shooting, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Great facility, highlight here in Nashville. Watching as always, watching, subscribe, and live the dream.